Welcome to this demo. In this video, I'll walk you through how a PDF file is uploaded, processed and stored in Pinecone using the RAG concept with the PDS workflow. So how can we interact with it through a chat interface? Here is the PDF file stored in Pinecone using a RAG approach powered by PDS workflow. Here is the UI for uploading a PDF. This is the Pinecone index. The initial record count is 0. After we upload a PDF, it will insert multiple chunks based on the document size. The PDF has been uploaded successfully. It's now available for question answering. This is the PDS workflow I implemented to upset the PDF into the Pinecone index. When a file is uploaded from the UI, the PDS workflow starts automatically to upset the file into Pinecone. The flow receives the PDF via REST API. Next, it generates a unique document ID. Convert the base64 payload back to the PDF. Extract the text, split it into chunks, create a vector embeddings for each chunk using an LLM. And finally, upset those embeddings with the metadata into the Pinecone index. Now we can ask questions from the chat. The answer are returned as expected. When a question is asked, a separate PDS workflow runs. It receives the question via REST API. Convert the question into an embedding using the LLM and queries Pinecone to retrieve the most relevant chunks. A prompt is then constructed with the retrieved context. Using the LLM, we generate the final answer and send it back to the chat through the REST API response. This concludes the demo of storing and retrieving PDF data using Pinecone with the PDS workflow. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.